One love, one life, it's one need in the night. One love, we get to share it. Leaves you, baby, if you don't even care.
Welcome, people them. So this one has actually been on the cards to react to for a little while. And the reason I hadn't reacted to it is because for whatever reason, I don't know whether it was when I just got my account back or there was something happening where I went on the video and there were a few Stan Walker videos that I couldn't play. It was like it's outside of my region. I didn't have permission to play them. So I was like, I don't know whether there was something happening, which meant that like some of his videos weren't available to us in the UK. I don't know, but I never got a chance to go back to it, just being busy with other things. But I've just checked and I've just seen that it is available. So the one that I really wanted to watch was him doing the U2 cover and the Bob Marley cover as well of like One Love. I'm not sure what the U2 song was. I'll be honest, I don't really know that much about U2 really. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Is that them? Is that Coldplay? I should know this. I should know this. But this is what I mean. This is what I'm saying. That like I love my channel because aside from like the real like passion love that I've got for like my R&B, my soul and stuff, things that sit outside of that I have to kind of be exposed to, and if I'm not exposed to them I don't really know what they are. So yeah, let's watch a little bit of Sam Walker getting his U2 on and his Bob Marley on, and let's see what oh, I do know one because he did this with Mary J. Blige, didn't he? I do know this song. See, there's always a link to something soulful. Okay. Totally in the mood for a little bit of Sam Walker. Hit me.
Is it getting better? Or do you feel the same? Will it make it easier on you now? You got someone to blame. You say one love, one life, it's one need in the night. with each other, sisters and my brothers. One night, but we're not the same. We carry each other, carry each other. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Help me say one love. Hear the children crying. Yeah. Let's get together and feel alright. Help me say one love. Can you hear the children? Thanks and praise to the Lord. And that will feel good. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright.
There are few artists. There are so few artists that can just make me feel like. There's loads of artists that I love. There's loads of technically gifted vocalists that just make me want to just take off both my shoes and dash it at the camera. But there are certain artists that when they sing, they really, really touch my soul, man. And it doesn't really matter to me at this point, what Stan Walker sings, because it seems to be, without fail, that pretty much every single time that I see him and I react to him, every single time, it makes me feel something. Really, really feel something to my core. There's something coded in his vibrato, like not even just in his vibrato, in his tone, in his tonality, his ability to kind of like rasp it up and vocalize, but then just bring that down. That bit, that Bob Marley bit right at the end, like that, it was like a spiritual. And maybe because what's going on in the world today, like, you know, maybe it's just the beauty of the harmonies with his voice, and just him being the maestro of those vocals. I don't know what it is. I don't know what that was, but my body was literally like up and down with goosebumps. Like it was just. That is such a gift, man. Like, I mean, one, again, awesome song anyway. I do remember that with Bono and Mary J. Blige now. But, like, Stan Walker's, he... you can't tell me nothing when it comes to Stan Walker, you know. You cannot tell me nothing. Like, everything about the arrangement of it, like when those harmonies came in, when the music stopped and the vocal then continued, when the violins and the strings came in, like, oh my god, what an orgasm that was. Like, absolutely brilliant. I loved his shirt. Like, I want the necklace. Like, fam, like, I don't know what else to say. I love this man. I love this man. I love what he does. I'm so glad. I'm so glad that we have a Sam Walker. I'm so glad. And I know, as I said, there's going to be lots of people out there that are like, oh, but, you know, this artist can do this. And I'm sure those artists can. But, you know, for me, like, Sam Walker is something special. He's so special, so special, so special. Yeah, man. Please, Stan, come to the UK, please, please. Yeah, I loved that. I absolutely loved it, and I don't have anything else to say. There was just no notes to that whatsoever. Absolutely beautiful rendition. Beautiful. And to all the lucky people that get to see this man in concert, yeah, like, I am so jealous. But I am going to a concert tomorrow, so I can't be too jealous. But yeah, let's know what you guys made of this. Like, how do you compare this to the original on its own, one with Mary J? You know, were you in your feelings about this as well? Like, tell me, what did you make of this cover, this arrangement by Stan Walker and co? If you did enjoy this reaction, then please do drop me a like and subscribe. That'd be amazing. Thank you so much. And if you do want access to my reactions before they come to YouTube, then please do head over to my Patreon, which is a great way to help support the channel, and it's a great way to connect with me more as well. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I hope to see you on the next. Oh.